Tips are not going to help you manage your risk. Tips are not going to help you structure your capital. My focus has been to design a course for the retailers which has been picked up from the institutional rulebook. So the way institutions have been trading and earning profits. So my aim is that similar kind of trading approach is also adopted by retail traders. Before you go further, I want you to understand what I have observed in last 18 years in future and option segment in the larger Indian market as well. Why I don't believe in flashy signals, P&L statements and the tips. If you are really serious about the structured income from stock market, then this context matters. And before I proceed, my brief background. I have got 18 years of experience in stock market. I am IIT Kanpur alumnus and previously I have been a SEBI registered research analyst as well, and I have worked with global banks like Barclays, and I have worked with institutional investors as well as the retail investors. I have seen all the ups and downs of the market, all the cycles of the markets. I have seen how the different participants behave in different cycles of the market. And now let's move on to what I have observed wrong in Indian F&O market. Over the years, I have observed something really deeply concerning about F&O markets. Majority of retail traders are undercapitalized, they are over leveraged, they don't have any plan, they have no risk structure, and there is a constant obsession about how much profit they have made on a particular day. They talk about profits, they don't talk about the losses. Ideally, F&O should have been taken just like a business, sometimes loss, sometimes gains. That's all okay, but number of gains should be higher than the number of losses, and the quantum of your losses should be lesser than the quantum of your gains. So that is a simple business logic which should govern F&O trading as well. But here F&O has become a video game. F&O has become a source of entertainment. There is no capital discipline, there is no emotional discipline. Just people have started playing it like a video game, and that's where 90% of retail traders make losses in F&O because they are not serious about working through it. And whole of our ecosystem supports it. There are so many Telegram tips, there are so many WhatsApp groups providing the tips, and then there are expiry day gamblings as well. Some people are flashing their fake P&L. So sometimes when they gain the profit, they flash their P&L, but when they have the losses, they don't show it. So it is all just becoming a social media charm where somebody is flashing their P&L, somebody is flashing their kind of trades they are taking. But is it going to help you out? Definitely no. Most of the participants are not trading the system. They are just playing it like a game. They are just reacting to the movements of the market, and they are stressed. They don't know what to do. They get into a trade, then they don't know when to book the profit or when to book the loss, what to do in the next moment in that particular trade which they have entered. So it's all confusion, and that is leading to the losses, and that is why they are suffering the losses. And the next part is the wrong expectations. People enter into the F&O considering that every month they are going to double their money. They will have to have only small capital and they can take larger positions. So that is true, but the problem is if you are taking larger positions from the small capital, the way your gains are going to be leveraged, similarly your losses are also going to be leveraged. High gains, high losses. So that's the part of the game, and many retail traders think that more number of trades is equivalent to higher income. The reality is F&O is a leverage instrument, and leverage without any structure, without any analysis and without any plan is going to definitely destroy the capital. And that is why I don't sell signal, I don't run any WhatsApp tips group, and I do not post any flashy P&L screenshots. Tips are not going to help you manage your risk. Tips are not going to help you structure your capital. My focus has been to design a course for the retailers which has been picked up from the institutional rulebook. So the way institutions have been trading and earning profits. So my aim is that similar kind of trading approach is also adopted by retail traders. Similar kind of risk management is also adopted by the retail traders so that they have a second source of income. So here the capital is divided intelligently. Your risk management plan is laid out intelligently, and the risk reward ratios are defined. When to exit, when to enter, all of that is defined. In case things go wrong, then what is your fallback mechanism? What you are going to do in that particular situation? And over the period of time, what I have realized from the market is market rewards proper structure. They don't reward the excitement, needless excitement. So I have completely shifted my trading towards a governed approach. So where I know how much capital is required for a trade, how much capital is distributed between different kind of trades, what is my risk, what is my return, and what I am going to do at a particular moment of the market. If I am getting 10% of the gain on the capital invested, should I exit or should I stay on course till a particular level in the market is reached? So all of that is predefined, and you just have to execute all of that. And what I am going to define next is not a trade strategy, but it is a proper framework. We are going to talk about income flow engine framework. We are going to talk about Elliott waves, how these things help. We are going to talk about market mining approach. So all of these things have been picked up from the institutional rulebook, and retail traders can easily learn them, can leverage them, can get support from these strategies so that they can enhance their returns in the market. Thank you.